Most people check their bank account and feel a wave of anxiety. They work hard, they earn money, and somehow it's always gone before the month ends. Debt grows, savings stay empty, and nobody ever taught you why. In Japan, there is a budgeting method that has been used for over a century. So simple it fits in a notebook, yet so powerful it has helped generations of Japanese families eliminate debt and build real financial security. It is called Kakeibo, and once you understand it, you will never think about money the same way again. Most people are not bad with money because they are lazy. They are bad with money because nobody ever taught them. We spend first and save whatever is left, which is usually nothing. We swipe cards without tracking. We reach the end of every month confused about where everything went. This cycle repeats every year. The debt grows. The savings stay empty. Japan looked at this problem and asked one simple question. What if we just paid attention? Kakeibo, pronounced Kakeibo, means household financial ledger in Japanese. Created in 1904 by Japan's first female journalist Hani Motoko. The idea was simple: write down every single yen that comes in and every yen that goes out. By hand. In a notebook. No apps. No spreadsheets. Just pen, paper, and complete honest awareness of your money. Millions of Japanese households still use Kakeibo today. Not because they have to, but because it works. The first step of Kakeibo: write everything by hand. Not on your phone. Not in a spreadsheet. By hand in a physical notebook. Science confirms what Japan knew intuitively. Writing by hand forces your brain to process information more deeply. Typing a number takes 1 second and disappears from your mind instantly. Writing it by hand makes you sit with it. Acknowledge it. That moment of awareness is where financial change begins. Kakeibo divides all spending into 4 categories. Needs, essentials like rent, food, and bills. Wants, things you enjoy but don't need. Culture, books, courses, and personal growth. Unexpected, emergencies, and surprise costs. Every purchase falls into one of these 4. This simple act of categorizing forces you to ask one powerful question before spending. Which category is this? Suddenly spending becomes conscious instead of automatic. At the end of every month, Kakeibo asks you 4 questions. How much money did I have? How much did I spend? How much did I save? How can I improve next month? These 4 questions take 10 minutes, but they create something most people never experience: honest awareness of their own financial behavior. No judgment, no shame, just truth. And truth is where real change begins. Most people save what is left after spending, which is usually nothing. Kakeibo flips this completely. Before any bill, before any food, before a single purchase, savings go in first. You pay yourself first. The size does not matter in the beginning. The habit does. A person who saves a small amount every single day builds more wealth than someone who tries to save a large amount once and fails. Kakeibo teaches one of the most powerful financial habits you will ever learn: the mindful spending pause. Before any non-essential purchase, ask yourself 3 questions. Do I truly need this? Can I live without it? Will I even remember buying this in 1 week? Most impulse purchases cannot survive these 3 questions. Japan calls this financial awareness. Science calls it breaking the automatic spending loop. Either way, it saves thousands every single year. Kakeibo has a complicated relationship with credit cards. When you pay with a card, the brain feels no pain. The money feels invisible. Studies show people spend up to 83% more when paying by card versus cash. Japan understood this long before the research. Kakeibo practitioners use physical cash for daily spending deliberately. Feeling money leave your hands creates awareness that a card tap never can. The discomfort of spending cash is not a problem. It is the point. Kakeibo is not just a personal practice, it is a family one. Japanese households discuss money openly together, including with children. No secrets, no shame, no hidden spending. When the whole family understands the financial picture, everyone becomes part of the solution. Children who grow up watching their parents manage money consciously develop financial intelligence naturally. Most families never have this conversation. Japanese families have it every single month. One of the most powerful Kakeibo habits is the no-spend day. One day every week where you spend absolutely nothing. No coffee, no snacks, no online shopping, nothing. At first it feels uncomfortable. Then it feels liberating. No spend days do two powerful things. They save money directly and they retrain your brain to find joy without spending. Japan has always understood that the best things in life genuinely cost nothing. Most of us just forgot. The deepest secret behind Kakeibo is not a budgeting trick. It is a philosophy. Japan has a concept called chisoku, which means knowing when you have enough. Most of us spend compulsively because we never feel like we have enough. We always want more. But the person who knows they already have enough stops chasing, stops impulse buying, stops filling emptiness with purchases. Contentment is not weakness. In Japan, contentment is the ultimate form of wealth. Japan consistently has one of the highest household savings rates in the entire world. While most countries struggle with rising personal debt and empty savings accounts, Japanese households save an average of 15 to 20% of their income every single month. Financial experts have studied this for decades. The answer they keep finding is not higher salaries. It is not government policy. It is financial consciousness, the exact thing Kakeibo has been building for over a century. Japan has an ancient concept called hara-hachi-bu, eat until you are 80% full then stop. Not because the food is bad, not because you are still hungry, but because you have had enough. Japanese people apply this exact same philosophy to money and possessions. Buy until you have enough, then stop. Spend until your needs are met, then stop. The relentless pursuit of more is what keeps most people permanently broke. Knowing when enough is the most powerful financial skill you will ever develop. Kakeibo is not just a budgeting system. It is a complete shift in how you see money. From something that controls you to something you control. From anxiety and confusion to clarity and confidence. From spending without thinking to living with complete intention. Most people spend their entire lives working hard for money without ever stopping to understand it. Japan took a different path, and the results speak for themselves. The steps are simple. Write everything by hand. Use the 4 categories. Reflect every month. Pay yourself first. Use cash deliberately. Have honest family money conversations. And always know when you have enough. You just need a notebook, pen, and the willingness to be completely honest with yourself. Start tomorrow morning. Not next week. Not next month. Tomorrow. If this video gave you something valuable today, subscribe to KODORO for weekly Japanese wisdom. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. We will see you in the next one.